You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this French footballer. Let's break down the pronunciation in English and how it is pronounced in French and how you can easily say it in English. He signed for with Newcastle, is that correct? Let me know in the comments. If you want to learn more names from football, stay tuned. So in French in France, it's pronounced as Allan Saint Maximin. Allan Saint Maximin. The T is silent in French. Now in English, Allan, you can say Allan, which sounds a bit more French, that's fine, but Allan is fine. Saint Maximin. Saint Maximin, some may pronounce the T, Saint Maximin, Allan Saint Maximin, or in French, Allan Saint Maximin. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.